For a lot of sales reps, there can be a lot of uncertainty when providing vinyl siding and accessory estimates. From taking proper measurements to calculating how much siding is needed, it may seem much more complicated than it really is. That's why we developed a helpful tool to eliminate your stress and gain confidence so that you can give your customers a quick, accurate estimate. Today, we're going to take vinyl measurements of this two-story home. This method will work on other types of homes as well. It's important to take photographs of all sides of the house for further reference if necessary. When you take your measurements, there are several different parts of the home that you'll need to measure, starting with the standard wall surfaces and the gables. The standard wall area is usually a square or rectangle. You'll want to measure the width of this area first. Next, measure the height of the wall area from the ground to the gutter or roof area. Keep in mind that 100 square feet of wall area is the same as 1 square of siding material. Now let's measure the gables. If you don't have a ladder tall enough, don't worry. Your horizontal measurement is the same as your wall surface, and you can count your wall panels to get your height. Another common feature on many houses are dormers, which are sections of a home that protrude vertically from the sloped roof. All you have to do is estimate the two sides of your dormers and add these to your totals. Remember to account for the accessories needed for each area that you have measured, whether it's starter strip, J-channel, corner post, or utility trims. You should account for 2 J-channels for every window or standard door, and you should account 3 J-channels for every garage door opening and larger windows. The final measurement you want to take is a soffit. That's located in the eave and the gables. You want to measure from the wall surface to the fascia board. Total all that measurement up, and that's your required soffit material. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Ply Gem Estimator, which is going to help you save time and make your estimates much more accurate. All you need to do is plug your measurements into the spreadsheet, and it will show you the total amount of siding you will need. Don't forget to inspect the substrate and existing issues so you can account for labor and materials. These simple tips and the use of the estimator tool will eliminate all the guesswork and ensure that you give the best estimates to your customers.